Hi, Mr.
Hi, how are you guys?
Salam alaikum,
Bonjour.
guys.
Salam.
Salam alaikum. Bonjour.
Salam, bonjour.
Hey, I
Comment ça
finished
va?
the front in the computer exam.
What?
I finished
the French exam.
What did you say, guys?
I finished the French exam.
Oh, good, very good. Very good,
Me
Al-Mujid.
too. I finished it. Me too. I finished it
Can
and I
you
get
hear
full
me?
mark.
Mister, I finished the exam and I got 5 over 5.
Very good.
For-
Very good, guys.
Which
Yes, Al-Mujid?
page? Which page?
Alors, aujourd'hui, on va voir ensemble. Donc, aujourd'hui, on va voir ensemble, bien sûr, une partie de grammaire qui sera à la page 14, page 14. À la page 14, page 14, please. Alors, wait. Donc, aujourd'hui, on va voir ensemble les verbes du premier groupe, du présent et au passé composé. D'accord? Alors, par exemple, les garçons, on va voir ensemble. Déjà, pour commencer, do you have an idea about verbs, verb du first group? Do you have an idea about verbs in first group?
I didn't understand what you wrote.
Okay, I said. Aujourd'hui, on va voir ensemble le présent. Bien sûr, les verbes du premier groupe. Did you? Okay. Do you have an idea about verb first group? As I said, les verbes en français, alors, se partagent en 3 groupes. So we have 3 groups of verbs in French. We have 3 groups. Alors, donc aujourd'hui, on va commencer par les verbes.
Bonjour.
Bonjour Talar, ça va bien, Habibi? Donc, on va commencer par les verbes du premier groupe. Les verbes du premier groupe, les garçons, sont comme suite. Alors, juste à l'instant, je vais mettre ça. Alors, attendez-moi. Voilà. Donc, je vais prendre... So, we'll take our sheet. Or grade 5, hein? Alors. Alors, quand on dit les verbes du premier groupe, les verbes du premier groupe, can you hear me, guys?
Yeah, we can.
Yes.
Okay.
Oui.
Okay. Right. Okay. So we'll take our... Alors, je vais dire maintenant, donc je vais mettre partie grammaire. Partie grammaire, voilà.
Mister, can you sit to me what the sheet to come in the exam, France exam?
You got it in your group, hein?
Ok.
Alors, donc je vais commencer par, j'ai dit les verbes du premier groupe. Alors, les verbes du premier groupe au présent. Donc, les garçons, quand je dis les verbes du premier groupe, can you give me some example of verb du premier groupe? Déjà, avant tout, alors, before all that, did you understand or did you remember verbs of first group? What are verbs of first group in French? Quels sont les verbes du premier groupe en français? Quels sont les verbes?
I don't know, Mr.
I don't know
Les
too.
autres. Yes, for the other. I'm sure that you know. I'm sure that you know. Maybe you forget, but you know. ما تفكرهمش les verbes du premier groupe, شباب؟ نسيتوهم؟
What?
نسيتوا verb premier groupe?
Yeah, we forget.
Okay. طيب. Okay, can you give?
Group ER?
Yes, Abda, yes, Ali.
In the book, it says that there's a group called ER.
Good, very good. Yes, that's it. First group. Donc, quand on dit verbe du premier groupe, it's all verbs that finish with ER, ER. It's okay? Expect le verbe aller. Hein? We have the verb aller is the verb to go. So, it is expected. But all verb finish with ER or ER, call it verbe du premier groupe. Okay, can you give me some example, Ali?
Manger.
Manger, bravo. Alors, manger, voilà. Yes, manger, c'est un verbe du premier groupe parce que il se termine par ER, yes? Other example?
Mr. Which page?
We are in
On
page
page
14.
14.
We are in page 14, Abdul Majid. Abdul Majid, can you give me some verbs? In French, it finished with ER, with ER. Abdul Majid.
Yes.
Yes, can you give me some verbs who finish with ER?
Ménage.
Pardon? Can you repeat?
Ménage.
C'est pas monage. Monage, it's not a verb, monage. Monage, you want to mean my age or you want to say manger?
Manger.
No, okay, but manger, Ali said it. So I want another verb. Yes, the other. Bara.
I know.
Yes, Ali.
I know
Yes,
one.
Ali.
Durer. Si, durer.
Wait, one by one. Now don't talk together. Yes, Abdul Majid.
Regard.
Repeat.
Regarde.
Regardez. Yes, very good. Donc, on a aussi regarder. Voilà, c'est un verbe du premier groupe.
Yeah, Mr. I know one.
Wait, regardez. Alors, regardez aussi, c'est un verbe de premier groupe parce que it finish with ER. Yes, Ali?
Yeah, durer. Playing, durer.
Jouer.
Jouer.
Jouer. Yes, very good. Jouer aussi, it's a verb. First group because it finished with ER. Yalla, the other, Tariq, for example. Faisal, Bara, Bandar, Badr, Ali, Abdul Rahman, Abdullah, yalla, where are you? Why did you participate?
Lever.
Yes, Bara?
Lever.
Lever, par exemple. Alors, mais là, lever, Bara, c'est un verbe pronominal. Hein? Il s'écrit sur deux. So we have to write it in two. For example, se lever. Alors, se lever aussi, c'est un verbe du premier groupe. What else?
Mr. I know.
Yes?
Chanter.
Chanter, par exemple. Merci, Ali. Yes. Chanter, c'est to sing. To sing, chanter. Donc, chanter, voilà, aussi, c'est un verbe du premier groupe. What else? So we have manger, to eat, regarder, to watch.
Mr. Lever,
to look.
to wash. Wash. Lever.
Jouer is to play. Se lever, that's me. Wake up.
Lever. Mr.
Wake
Lever.
up.
To
Chanter.
wash.
What?
Lever, to wash.
Lever, to wash.
No, not lever.
Laver, oui, bravo. Laver, très bien. Très bien, Khaled. Très bien fait ça. Donc, on a aussi...
Bara.
Bara, who said laver?
Yeah.
Okay, Bara. Thank you, Bara. Yes. Laver. Bravo. Donc, laver is to wash. Very good. Yes? What?
Mister, what is walking in French? I forgot.
Walking?
In French, yeah.
Marcher. Très bien. It's to walk. Marcher. Yes, Ali. Very good. On a aussi marcher. Alors, marcher. Yes. Quoi d'autre? Do you have another? Okay. Donc, les garçons, si vous voyez ces verbes-là, all these verbs finish with what?
ER.
Good. Donc, on dit ER, Ali. Hein? ER, c'est English. ER. OK? Donc, alors, ces verbes-là se terminent par ER. So, this verb finish with ER, like you said. Donc, on dit, en French, ces verbes-là se terminent ou bien se finissent par ER. Donc, on a ici ER. Alors, oui, juste un instant, je vais mettre ici. Insérer, shape, this. Alors, donc, ces verbes-là se terminent par quoi?
What, mister?
Yes?
What did you say?
Alors, j'ai dit ces verbes-là, all these verbs, it finish with ER. Donc, when a verb finish with ER, c'est un verbe du premier groupe. Donc, quand un verbe se termine par ER, se termine, par exemple, c'est-à-dire it finish, donc on dit ce sont alors verbe du premier. What does it mean, premier, garçon?
Primary.
Primary, so first group. It's okay?
Yeah.
Donc, ce sont des verbes du premier groupe. Verbes du premier groupe. Why? Because it finished with ER. It's okay? So now,
Okay, mister, what's the next one?
Yes?
What's the next verb?
Wait. So
Next
now,
group.
what you have to say or what you have to know is how we conjugate this verb or how we can conjugate verbs who finish with ER. So how can we conjugate verbs of first group? How can we conjugate it? So we conjugate this verb in all these verbs se conjuguent pareil. So they have the same conjugation. We conjugate this verb all in the same time. For example, donc on va prendre par exemple le verbe marcher. D'accord? We will take this verb, marcher. Alors, le verbe marcher au présent. Ah, bien sûr, maintenant, on va conjuguer ces verbes-là au présent. Hein? We'll conjugate this verb in the present. Donc, marcher, voilà. Le verbe marcher au présent. Donc, on dit, so, who can remember me the subject in French? What we have like subject in French?
What?
Who can remember me what subjects we have in French? The subject. Do you remember the subject, guys?
Yeah, I know subject, but I'm
Yes?
just thinking.
Yeah, so, okay, I will give you the first one. Je.
Tu.
Tu, bravo. Yes?
Il.
Très bien. What else?
How's the other one? E-L-L-E. How's it?
L.
L. Yeah. L.
We use it for feminine, okay? We use it for female.
Yeah.
For female. What else?
We have il with a S.
No, before. We have the subject we, nous. Nous. And vous. And now we put il with a S and L with an S. It's okay? So there's our subject in French.
Okay.
OK? Alors maintenant, on va conjuguer le verbe marcher au présent avec tous ces
Oui,
sujets-là.
We put J.
Donc je dis je
Dimanche.
je marche. À la fin, E. je marche. OK? Tu marches à la fin S. Il ou bien elle marche à la fin E. Nous marchons. Nous marchons. Et vous marchez. Et il, elle marche à la fin E-L-T. It's okay?
Okay.
مفهوم شباب?
Mister, are you going to send this in the WhatsApp?
Yes, I will send this shit in WhatsApp.
Yeah, because I'm going to need it.
Okay, no problem. OK, donc ça, c'est pour le verbe marcher. So, let's take, for example, le verbe laver. Laver. Donc, alors, je vais dire le verbe laver au présent. You suppose to know, guys, en fait, you suppose to know this verb, huh? And you suppose it know how you conjugate this verb in the present, because today we'll take the past. So normally you suppose to know how we conjugate this verb. Donc on dit le verbe laver au présent. Alors bien évidemment, je répète tous les sujets, donc all subject.
Je lave.
Alors je lave à la fin. À la fin, E.
Yeah.
Lave à la fin, S. Il or elle.
And then the next one will be lava with E. Yeah.
Yes. Nous.
And then the next one will be nous lavons.
Nous
Yeah.
lavons, bravo. Vous lavez.
And then the next one will be with easy. And then the next one will be with ENT.
Elle lave.
Lavons.
Lave. We don't say lavons. Huh?
Lave. Oh, okay, lave.
Okay, so we don't pronounce the ENT. Donc, so if you see here, so all verbs se conjuguent. So all verbs conjugate in the same time. Okay, so we conjugate it as the first verb. So E-E-S, E-O-N-S, E-Z, E-N-T. E-E-S, E-O-N-S, E-Z, E-N-T. It's the same thing also for the other verb. Chanter. Donc, je dis je chante, il chante.
Jouer, regarder.
Yes. So,
they're all the
all
same.
verbs. So, yalla, I repeat, guys. So, all verbs in the infinitive form finish with ER. Okay. When we conjugate it in the present, so it takes the same finish. E, E-S, E, O-N-S, E-Z, E-N-T. Donc, je dis je marche, tu marches, il, elle marche, nous marchons, vous marchez et il, elle marche à la fin E-N-T. Donc, les gars. Yes?
Mister, how do you know if it's E or ES or O-N-S?
Okay, good question. Abdelmajid, do you know the subject?
Yeah.
Do you know it?
Yeah.
Okay, do you know the meaning of this verb, of the subject?
Of J?
No, do you know the meaning of this subject? For example, what does it mean, je?
I can't remember.
You try to remember?
Yes, I can't really remember it. I remembered I knew what they meant in English, but I can't remember.
Abdelmajid. To know how this verb finish, why this verb, for example, to know how the verb finish with E, ES, or ONS, Z, you have to know what is the meaning of the subject. Je, tu, il, nous, vous,
Yeah, mister, I don't remember what's the meaning. I know il and elle is like he and she.
Okay.
But I don't remember the rest. But I think maybe J is it.
Yes, excuse me?
Sorry, my blacked out. Can you
Why you have
please show?
Excuse
My
me.
internet's really bad.
Okay. Okay. Yalla, listen, habibi. So, as you know, in English, for example, in English, when I said, what does it mean? I, you, he, she, we, they, etc. It's okay? So they are subject. It's okay?
Yeah.
Good. It's the same thing also in French. The je, that's mean I. Tu, that's mean tu, that's mean you, but in single form.
Oh, okay.
Il, that's mean he. Elle, that's
And
mean
elle means
he.
she.
Nous, that's mean
You?
we.
Vous, that means they.
They. No, vous, that's mean you, but in plural when you are talking to a group.
Oh.
Il.
Mister,
Yes,
can
il,
you
that's
write it?
mean
And then he's and she. No.
good. But no, il, that's mean they for boys, and
Yeah,
elle, that's
and-
mean they for girls, but in plural.
Can you
Okay.
write down? Can you write it down so I can write it down, and then I can memorize it?
Okay, but Abdul Majid, you
It's
know
gonna be
what?
sent on the WhatsApp.
Wait, please. Wait, please. I want to talk. Abdul Majid. You have a bad internet,
Yes.
Abdul Majid, I think, because I can't hear you.
Can you write it down? Can you write it?
شوف عبد المجيد. عبد المجيد لما تسمعني قل لي it's okay. Yeah? I want to explain for you. Abdul Majid, are you here? No, he left. Okay, for the other. Did you understand?
Yes, Mister, I understand.
The other, Abdullah Musa, Abdullah Raid, Abdul Rahman, Badr, Bandar, Bara, Khalid, Tariq. Yalla, عاد, yalla, wake up, guys.
Mister, can you remind me which J and two? Two is you.
Yes, but you,
And
two, that's mean you, but in single form, but in singular form. So
oh,
when I talk with you, I said you, Ali. It's okay.
yeah.
And when I said vous, that's mean you, but for example, you grade 5. It's okay. When I'm talking to you.
Oh. Okay, and two is what? And what's J? G-E.
Je, that's mean I, me.
Oh.
I
okay.
play. I
So
play.
it's-
Je joue. I walk. Je marche. I walk. Je marche. Bara, you have a question?
No, no.
No, is it clear?
I mean, yes. So,
For me, it's,
in this
Mister, for me,
question,
it's
what
not
are we
clear
doing?
because my internet.
Yes, Abdul Majid, I know that you have
Mr.
a bad internet, so try please to have a good internet and participate with us. I want to
Mr.
explain something very important for you. Yes, Bara.
Yeah, so in this question, what are we doing?
In this question, what you have to do?
Yeah.
I didn't ask you a question right now, so I give you the lesson, the rule. Okay. So Abdul Majid, please, if you can hear me, just you raise your hand. If you can hear me, so just you raise your hand. I want to explain something very important for you. Just raise your hand. You have it to talk. You just raise your hand, and I will explain
I'm
something
trying
for
to
you.
raise my hand. It won't let. I'm listening to you, but it won't let me use my hand.
It doesn't let him raise his hand.
What?
Abdul Majid says he does it doesn't let him raise his hand,
Okay.
but he can still hear you.
Okay. So Abdul Majid, can you hear me? If you can hear me, please write me in the chat. Write me in the chat if you can hear me. Just if you
I'm
hear me,
pretty sure
write
you
in
can
the
hear
chat. What?
I think I heard him say he can hear you.
I don't think, because you have a good bad internet. So Abdul Majid, if you can hear me, you just write me in the chat. Okay? I will explain something very important for you and for all the class. No, he's not here.
Who?
I am here. Just write in the chat.
I don't know. Where is the chat? No. You can't write in the chat also? Okay. Yeah. So listen to me. Okay, Abdul-Majid, can you hear me?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so you said that if or also this speech is for you all. So Abdul-Majid said, Mister, can you write it in English? Because I want to memorize it. But it's false, guys. It's false. Yes, I can write it in English. I can write it in English. I can write it in Spanish. I can write it in Italian. But it's false because you will not memorize it. You will not memorize it because you will learn it in English. But what I want to do, or what I want what I want you to do, it's to know it in French. What's the meaning in French? Because here we have a French lesson. So guys, I said it's very simple. Je, that's mean I. So I said I walk. Je marche. Tu, that's mean you. You walk. Abdul-Majid, you walk. So I'm talking to
Mister,
only
can I go to the
one
bathroom?
person. I'm talking to only one person. So I said you, but you in singular form. So I said you walk or tu marches. But when I'm talking to you, the finish is es. It's okay? Good, Abdul-Majid. Now,
Mister, can I go to the bathroom?
please wait me 2 minutes. I will finish this one. It's very important. After that, you can go. Okay, Abdullah? Thank you. Okay. Now, when I said il or elle, il, it's for singular form, he. Elle is for female. Okay, singular form, but for she. Elle, il, elle. He walks or she walked. Donc, I said il marche or elle marche. So, if it have the same conjugation.
Does il and ile have the e at the end?
Who is talking?
Me, I'm Abdul-Majid.
Yes, Abdul-Majid, what do you say?
E and ele have do they both have e at the end?
Yes, they have both, but in the present, huh? In the present, okay? Maybe it can change in the past. So in the present, in the future, in perfect or present perfect, etc. So they have always the same finish, but not in the past when it's with verb être. So we will get it, this one. But they always have the same finish for he or she, il or elle. Okay, and this one we said it elle, not il. This is e. Donc on dit elle et il. Here, par exemple, pour nous, that's mean we. We. Nous, we. So when you talk, when you use the subject nous or we, for example, me and my friends. So we are friends. So we said we walk, and here on dit in French nous marchons. So it's always with that subject is the same finish. When we have the subject, we have always the same finish. Nous marchons. Vous now, vous that's mean you, but I'm talking to a group. For example, you grade 5, you are a legend, you are a handsome boys, etc. So here, excuse me.
You're a legend.
Excuse me. So here, I'm talking to a group. I said vous, you. On dit vous marchez. So the finish, it's always EZ. The finish, it's always EZ. Okay? Maintenant, avec qui?
Is all of this in the past or in the present?
What do you read here? What do you see here?
Oh, present.
So we are talking to present now. It's okay? Donc, il, that's mean they, but I'm talking to boys. Il, they. Here, il, and this one, il. But this one, it's il without S, and this one, il with S. So this is he, and this one, il, they, but I'm talking to boys. And here, elle, also with S, so I'm talking to girl. They, but I'm talking to girl. The finish, it's always ENT. And this finish, guys, now, this termination, we apply it with all verbs, finish with what?
What?
So I said, all this termination, it's apply with all verbs who finish with what? All verbs finish with
Here.
okay?
Yeah.
So all verbs finish with er. We apply this termination. Expect only one verb. Only one verb. So it don't take this finish. It's le verbe aller, to go. Aller. Donc, le verbe aller, on le conjugue comme ça. Alors, le verbe aller au présent. OK, donc, ce verbe-là, il ne prend pas la même terminaison. Donc, je dis je vais. Tu vas. Il or elle va. Nous allons. Hein? It's ONS. Vous allez. It's EZ. Et, bien sûr, il or elle vont. Okay, so expect this verb because it can change. All the other verbs who finish with ER, they take this termination. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Abdul Majid, is it clear?
I didn't know what there was like at the end of every word, all of them were kind of different.
I can't hear you, Abdul Majid. It's very lag. So Abdul Majid, please, if you can send it. You can send me your voice in WhatsApp, huh? Tomorrow, to understand you. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So is it clear for the other? How the verb finish? Yeah. Okay. Thank you, guys. So I will send you this sheet in WhatsApp. Okay. I will send you this sheet in WhatsApp. So it's the continue of our. So it's the continue of our work. Huh? It's the same things. Okay.
Okay. Bye, Mr.
Thank you, guys. See you next time.
Is it
Goodbye.
Tristan? Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Have a sweet day, Mr.
Thank you, Tariq, Habibi.